Centric has launched their new budget smartphone, the Centric L3. Will it be a tough competitor in the budget segment? Let's find out. Now taking a look into the front of the phone looks stylish and elegant for a budget segment. The fingerprint sensor below the display reminds me of Lenovo's Educase Z2. The Centric L3 has got ultra slim bezels on the side, which makes it look more premium. To the back, the Centric L3 has got a simple design with a single camera and LED flash, and the Centric branding on the top center. The phone is 8.6mm thick and will be available in two color options, racing black and quartz grey. Taking a look into the display, Centric L3 has got a 5-inch 1280 by 720 pixels HD display with an IPS 1-cell 2.5D cut glass, which adds into the beauty of the device. The company also claims that the display provides superior color accuracy with amazing contrast ratio. Now talking about the camera setup, it has got a 13MP autofocus camera to the rear with LED flash and a 5MP front camera as well. The 13 plus 5MP combo is a pretty standard for the budget segment. Cosmic L3 comes with a MediaTek MT6737 quad-core CPU clocked at 1.3 GHz and a Mali D720 MP2 GPU. The L3 runs on Android 7.0 out of the box. It has got a standard 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage, expandable up to 256 gigs. Other features of the Centric L3 include 4G VoLTE, support for HD voice calling, dual micro SIM slot with separate slot for SD card, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, micro USB 2.0, GPS and AGPS. Now talking about the lifeline of the phone, the battery. Centric L3 comes with a 3050 mAh battery, which the company claims to provide a 240 hours standby time and a talk time of about 15 hours with dual SIM. With all these details, it is clear that Centric L3 will be a good player in the budget segment, but due to lack of better chipset, camera and USB Type-C, L3 will have to face tough competition. With that being said, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.